Hello and welcome to Wisdom for Seekers of Truth. Today's video on the topic: 12 tips to identify you are a genius. Have you ever wondered if you have what it takes to be a true genius? Or perhaps you've been told that you are gifted but aren't quite sure if you believe it yourself. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing with you all the signs that indicate you have a high level of intelligence. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover just how much of a genius you really are. Tips number 1: exceptional memory. One of the most common traits of a genius is having a great memory. They have an incredible ability to recall things that others can't remember. And they can retain vast amounts of information without any effort. If you have a remarkable memory and can easily remember events, names, dates, and numbers, it's a sign that you might be a genius. Tips number 2: curiosity and love for learning. Geniuses are naturally curious and have a passion for learning. They are constantly seeking new knowledge and exploring new ideas. They don't shy away from asking questions and challenging conventional wisdom. If you have a love for learning and enjoy exploring new ideas, it's a sign that you might be a genius. Tips number 3: creativity and innovation. Geniuses are creative and innovative. They can come up with unique and original ideas that others haven't thought of before. They are not afraid to take risks and try new things. If you have a creative mind and enjoy exploring new ideas, it's a sign that you might be a genius. Tips number 4: analytical thinking. Geniuses are excellent at analyzing complex problems and breaking them down into smaller, more manageable parts. They can think critically and logically to come up with the best solutions to problems. If you have a natural ability to analyze problems and come up with creative solutions, it's a sign that you might be a genius. Tips number 5: emotional intelligence. Geniuses are emotionally intelligent and can understand and empathize with others' feelings. They are good at reading people's emotions and can communicate effectively with people from different backgrounds and cultures. If you have a high level of emotional intelligence and can relate to people easily, it's a sign that you might be a genius. Tips number 6: perseverance. Geniuses also possess a strong sense of perseverance. They are not deterred by failure or setbacks and are willing to continue working towards their goals, no matter how difficult or challenging the path may be. If you have a strong sense of determination, can bounce back from failures, and are not afraid to take risks, then you might be a genius. Tips number 7: independent thinking. Geniuses have a unique ability to think independently and challenge the status quo. They are not afraid to question authority or challenge traditional ideas, and they often come up with new and innovative ways of doing things. If you are a free thinker, can challenge conventional wisdom, and have a passion for learning new things, then you might be a genius. Tips number 8: high level of focus. Geniuses have a high level of focus and concentration. They can easily tune out distractions and stay focused on their work for extended periods. They have the ability to work on complex problems without getting tired or bored. If you can focus for long periods and are highly productive, it's a sign that you might be a genius. Tips number 9: open-mindedness. Geniuses are open-minded and don't judge people based on their background, beliefs, or culture. They are open to new ideas and perspectives and can learn from anyone. If you are open-minded and can learn from different cultures and people, it's a sign that you might be a genius. Tips number 10: passion and dedication. Geniuses are passionate and dedicated to their work. They are highly motivated and have a strong desire to succeed. They don't give up easily and are willing to put in the time and effort required to achieve their goals. If you are passionate and dedicated to your work, it's a sign that you might be a genius. Tips number 11: sense of humor. Geniuses have a great sense of humor and can make people laugh. They have a way of seeing the world that is different from others. And they can use humor to convey their unique perspective. If you have a good sense of humor, it's a sign that you might be a genius. Tips number 12: Perfectionism. Geniuses have a strong desire for perfection and are never satisfied with mediocrity. They always strive to be the best and push themselves to achieve more. If you have a high level of perfectionism and are always striving to improve, it's a sign that you might be a genius. Thank you for watching 12 tips to identify you are a genius. We hope that you found this video helpful in recognizing your own potential. Remember, intelligence comes in many forms and can be developed with effort and dedication. Keep exploring your own skills and talents, and always strive to reach your full potential. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Thanks for watching.